Hey, what's up everybody? Today I wanted to make a short 5-minute or less video just talking about one of the things that I did a couple of short videos on recently, and that's going to be the MOFT Snap Duo Watch Band for the Apple Watch. And the short that I did was in a couple of different colors. It was one for the, I'm gonna call it the orange and blue, right? And then also for the blue and gray. So give that to you, the blue and gray, and then the orange and blue right here as you guys see it. So the official color names are going to be Wake Orange and Swell Blue. And then the other one that I got is going to be Wade Blue and Echo Gray. So those are the two colors that I got. And if you guys are interested in seeing the unboxing, you can check out those shorts on my YouTube channel. But we're at a minute, so let's go ahead and jump into it. I want to talk to you guys about, here is it on right now. Ever since I got the watch, I have been dailying this, and I can tell you guys right off of the bat, it is comfortable. It is quite possibly one of the most comfortable Apple Watch bands that I have had in my many years of ownership. So just to kind of put it into perspective for you guys. And I'm going to show you the different bands. Hopefully this will do well with the focus, right? But as you guys can see, I've had many different watch bands from Apple. There's a Spigen one. Here's another Apple branded one right there, just to show you guys a few. Here's an Apple branded. And here is a, I don't even remember guys, it's been so many years since I bought this, but this is a Zox, Z-O-X branded band. And out of all those bands that I've showed you, my favorite up until I found this one was going to be from Nomad. So this is going to be the Nomad two-tone band that they had, and you guys can see the color theme going on that I have. Let me see if I can get that to focus. But this is going to be the Nomad band that they had. So first and foremost, again, as I mentioned, it's going to be comfort. It's very comfortable. Now I will tell you, one of the first things that I ran into with this watch band is at first, and I think this is me, maybe I had it on too tight. But at first it did make, have a little bit of a sweaty effect. So that is just something to keep in mind, right? The material may not be something that your body agrees with. I'm gonna look right here. It is a silicone type material. So that's something to keep in mind, okay? You may or may not agree with that feeling on your skin. It may make you sweat, but I just want to give you guys the full view of what's going on with mine. Number two, or another thing, I don't know if it's number two by now, but another thing that I want to mention is going to be the ease. So with this band right here, the ease of putting this off and on is unmatched. The reason why is because this is put on by magnets. Okay, so this is all magnets. You guys saw right there, it just snaps right into place. So it's very easy to get on, very easy to get off. Another thing that I want to mention is basically for this watch band, you're getting essentially a combination of 4 different watch bands. So you can do the mix match color either way, top or bottom, or you can flip it over and get the solid color of either one of the types that it comes with. So essentially 4 bands for the price of right now on Amazon, $39.99. So it's not the cheapest band ever, but this is definitely one of those situations where you get what you paid for. I showed you my other favorite, which was a Nomad band, that two-tone from Nomad. That was my other favorite up until that one. It's a little bit more involved to put on. Not like a lot, but a little bit more involved. The other band that is a favorite of mine is going to be a hybrid, and that is going to be on my Apple, or sorry, not my Apple, on my Samsung. This is going to be the Classic 8. And you guys can see that band right there was another favorite of mine until I found this one from MOFT. So we got about 30 seconds left in the video, folks. Let me just tell you again, I highly recommend this to you. It is a great band for the money you get. Again, a lot of versatility for $40, essentially 4 bands with the combination for $40, so $10 a band. Comfort, ease of use, and is very easy to put on and change out. So you already know what I'm going to say, folks. If you like this watch band and you're thinking about picking this up maybe for Christmas, for the holidays, or just because you deserve to treat yourself, use the links in the video description. That will help out this channel at no additional cost to you. So folks, thank you guys for watching this 5-minute or less video talking about this. I hope you guys appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.